every college need a mascot? No. So I would like to present to you the dumbest mascots I could find, and we should all laugh at them and realize that this is a weird little ritual we do in American schools. Up first is University of North Carolina School of Arts, and their mascot is a pickle. What are we doing? I tried to research it and I could find no explanation for why this school's mascot is a pickle, but it has a little mustache. It looks devious. I don't know. It's all, just don't have a mascot if you're gonna be this stupid. Then we have Evergreen State College, and then their mascot is a geoduck. Now, I didn't know what a geoduck was, and then I Googled it, and I wish I didn't, because it's the penis of the sea. I'll give it to them. The mascot version of the clam penis is a lot cuter, but you just don't have a mascot. Then we have Dartmouth University, which is a Ivy League school, and their unofficial mascot is Keggy the Keg, which is just, it's glorifying alcoholism. You'll notice I said unofficial mascot, because that's the mascot that they, the kids like, but the real mascot is the Indian. So I understand why they had to switch it up a little bit.